Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a super bright LED headlamp. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're actually reviewing a super bright LED headlamp from the company Vont. And what's really good about these LED headlamps is it's basically a flashlight, but you don't actually have to hold on to a flashlight. You just strap these headlamps over your head, and you can easily, maneuver and use your hands and do whatever activity you were doing prior and not have to, sacrifice one hand with a flashlight, and you can do everything hands-free and basically still get through that process and working on whatever you're trying to do in the dark without your hands being occupied. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if it's your first time tuning into this YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read your comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me down below. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow me on my various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you need any photo assistance, or if you're a company owner wanting to work with me, that is the email address you guys can utilize to get in reach with me. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to get more information about these super bright headlamps, product information, also the link to purchase them will be down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information about these headlamps. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the packaging of this headlamp is fairly simple and really portable and really minimalistic as I spin it around. But what I want to do is actually shift this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. But as you guys can see with the front of the box, it just says Vont Spark LED headlamp, and it says for your ultimate hands-free illumination. So that's really nice to see. And you guys can see there is a picture of the headlamp right here. So what I'm going to do now is actually proceed to open up this box. And you guys can see we're instantly greeted with the contents inside this box. We do get a thank you card for the purchase, so you guys can actually get warranty with this product, and you actually can get lifetime warranty with this headlamp. And since we do have a 2-pack, we actually have 2 LED headlamps. So you guys can see in this bag we have one of them, and it's really nice and compact. You guys can see this is where all our LED lights are, and it just says Vont on right here. And the strap is pretty long and big, so you guys can easily adjust depending on your head size. This is actually everything that's included with the packaging. So all that's left to do now is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. Alright, let's actually proceed to testing out these LED headlamps. In our video, we're going to be only taking a look at one of them, but you guys can see there is a button on the top, so if you want to change to the different modes, you guys can do so. But let's actually insert batteries into this. So just open this part up, just like that. And you guys can see you need to put in 3 AAA batteries. So I got the batteries inserted. So that means this should be ready to go. Let me power this on and see, and let's hope that these actually turn on. And you guys can see the light is on and ready to go. And you guys can see with the secondary camera angle, you guys can see how bright and effective these lights are. So right now I actually have all the lights on, and I know you guys can't really see me, and the camera, since I have it at really high settings where it's not capturing all the light, I don't know if you guys can actually see that with the camera, but right now I'm just kind of panning around with my head. You guys can see it's able to capture a lot of detail and a lot of light, so that's really good to see. I know you guys can't even see me putting my hands up right now, but let me change it to a different mode. So right now it's completely off. It's on again. You guys can see it got a little bit brighter that time, and as I'm painting it on the table, I can kind of get a better view of what's going on. And if I click it again, it goes off. Click it again, you guys can see it's a little bit more brighter again. You guys can see how effective using something like this outside would be, especially when it's extremely dark. We also have that flash mode. So you guys can see I can use this to kind of give alerts or give, you know, if I need any help, I can signal this with this flash mode that this flashlight has. And I know the camera's having a hard time capturing this right now. But what you guys can see with all the different modes I tested out with this flashlight, you know, it's actually really effective. You know, if I was outside or using this in an environment where I need more sufficient lighting, this will do a fantastic job of doing that. If I have some clips of me utilizing this outside, I'll include them right here. Alright, so we're currently outside right now. I'm going to show you guys a quick demo of using one of these headlights in the dark. It's not completely dark right now, but it's dark enough so you guys can actually see the brightness of this overall flashlight that's attached onto this headlight. But in order to actually put on this headlight, is all you need to do is flip it and put it on your head just like that. Make sure it's completely tight in like I have mine. You guys can see it's completely on my head now. It's not going to go anywhere. I can walk around and this headlight's not going to come off my head. With this headlight, there is a few various different modes you can actually switch this headlight to, which I showed you guys in the demo part of the video. But you guys can see if I click it, it gets brighter. If I click it again, it gets even more bright. And if I click it one more time, you guys can see it does like a little disco kind of effect. This is actually pulsating mode, which it kind of pulsates ever so often, and you guys can see how effective that is. You guys can use this to alert people. You can even look at my shoes with my shoelaces, but you guys can see it really effective. And then if you actually hold it down, you guys are gonna see there's the red lights that turn on. And these red lights, as they turn on, you guys can use it to kind of alert or give, like for instance, if you have a bunch of people that you're working with, you guys can use this as like a code kind of thing. I'm not exactly sure what this red light is. I don't know if it's like infrared or something like that, but you guys can see how effective it is. There is a few different modes of it, so you guys can see now it's kind of flashing. And then we have one more mode, which is pulsating, just like how we had with the white light. So you guys can see how effective this flashlight or headlight flashlight really is. And overall, it does a fantastic job of, you know, lighting up the whole area. Like, look at this range. Like, that's impressive. Look at that. Look how far I'm going with that. Even as I'm shining down on the floor, you guys can see how bright and it's making everything. It's really effective. It does a really fantastic job, and overall I am really impressed with this headlight from the company Vont. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this headlamp from the company Vont? Honestly, I have really nothing negative to say about this headlamp. It just depends whatever activity you're working on or doing. Something like this, you know, keeping your hands free can be really, really useful. You know, especially if you're doing camping or if you're doing some jobs outside that require you to use tools and stuff. You guys can purchase one of these headlamps to make that kind of process a lot smoother and keep your hands free from, you know, holding a flashlight. So that is a good thing. I also like how those 7 different modes, you know, got the normal LED flashlight, or if you need to, you can easily turn on the SOS feature by holding down the power button, and I can easily cycle through all the different SOS functionalities of this flashlight. So that is also a really nice feature that they actually implemented into this flashlight, and I can easily go back to the normal mode. So that is really nice to see. This is something that I would, you know, recommend for those who do camping or do a lot of survival kind of stuff, to definitely check out, especially if you're like doing a lot of work or activities out in the dark. Having something like this handy is going to be really useful because, like I said, keeps your hands free from, you know, holding a flashlight that you would typically hold if you didn't have one of these handy. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. But before you guys actually leave though, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever about this LED headlamp, you guys can, you know, ask away in the comment section down below. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it too, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated. If you guys are enjoying this tech series, follow me on my various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then also our business inquiries email is CrewElite@gmail.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by reaching me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this LED headlamp, product information and also the link to purchase this product will be down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information about this LED headlamp. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.